Hello, my name is Martin. Welcome to another Weaselwood Maintenance episode. Today I want to show you a neat little fix for a problem that every one of us could have. And the problem I'm talking about is I have problems with my headphone jack of my smartphone. It has dropouts and I have noise on my headphones and I don't like this. And the reason for that is you wear it in your pants, you wear it in your pocket, whatever, and dust accumulates inside this jack. That's totally normal, but with time you get problems, you get bad connections, and yeah, there's a problem coming from. So that doesn't mean that there's something broken. That's just the dust inside that causes these problems. And I found out that there's a easy way to clean up this dirt and reuse your headphone jack as it's supposed to. And there's this things here. You can clean the gap between your tooth. I don't like them for this purpose, but for this it's perfect. You can perfectly clean up your headphone jacks, and that's what they're for. And you need a bit of some kind of cleaner. You can use window cleaner or whatever you want. In this case I'm using some nail lacquer cleaner for my wife. Don't tell her. And just dip it in and slightly clean up the contacts inside. So, see how dirty this is? Don't know if you can see it on the camera, but so you have, especially in my case, I wear it sometimes in my shop here, and the fine wood dust will accumulate inside this as well, and that's even worse. So normal dust and normal whatever you have in a pocket is bad enough, but the wood dust is about the worst case you could ever have. But yeah, this should work again as it's supposed to. Just let it dry, let the cleaner dry, and it will work again. So yeah, that's it for my part. Leave me some comments. How do you like this tip? Or tell me how you clean up your headphone jacks. Maybe you have a better way. That's the best way I came up with. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you do like this video. And have a nice day. Bye.